Welcome to this quick guide where I'm going to show you how to get loudness equalization on Windows 11. And if you get any value out of this video, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel. But to get started with the guide, if you want to find the loudness equalization setting on Windows 11, the first thing you need to do is you need to do a search for the control panel. And you can do that by just clicking on your start button, and then you can start typing. And you can just type in control panel and you'll find the control panel app. Just click on that to open it. Then just change this view by setting here to either small or large icons. And then on this list, you want to find sound. Click on sound. And it's going to open this new window here that you see. Now in this new window, just make sure playback is selected. And then you need to find your speakers on this list or your sound device. For me, it's the speakers, the high definition audio device. So just right click on it, then click on properties. And then you want to find the enhancements tab here. If you click on that, you'll find the loudness equalization option here. And if you have this checkbox selected to disable all the enhancements, you won't be able to click on any one of them. So you need to deselect this checkbox to disable the enhancements. Then you can select the checkbox for loudness equalization. Then you can just click on apply and OK, and then loudness equalization will be turned on for that sound device. If you have any other sound devices like I have here, I have an HDMI port. If I right click on that and I go to properties, I don't have the exact same options as I did for the other sound device. So you can see if I go through these options here, there is no loudness equalization tab for this sound device. So in that case, you can't enable or disable it. But I hope this quick guide's been useful. Please like the video and I'll talk to you guys soon.